Dialogue 14. A sweet Siamese student.
That Siamese student seems a nice sort of person.
Yes, serious, sensible, a bit insecure, perhaps. Eldest of 6, the rest still at school.
I see her sister sometimes. I saw her yesterday.
Soft skin, silky voice, sleepy eyes, sort of slow, sexy smile.
Sounds like Sue Sang.
Yes, that's it. Sue Sang. She's so sweet.
Waxing ecstatic, Stan. I may say I strongly disapprove of senior staff taking fancies to innocent students. You're supposed to be embracing serious linguistic research, not soft-skinned students. Most unsuitable. And silly, when you're just starting to make a success of this place.
For goodness sake, Sam, who says I'm smitten? The kid's sweet, but still only 26. I shall be 60 in September.